So guys, in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you some of the latest opportunities that are available to any beginner out there that's looking to use the latest model of Claude, which is Fable 5, to help them get an internet business up and running. Anthropic has definitely taken over the AI space with all of their latest releases, and the fact that they've just released an updated version of Claude is something that you should definitely pay attention to. And don't worry, even if you're someone that's completely new to the AI space, this video isn't going to be overwhelming. I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible, and my goal is that by the end of it, you're just going to get a better understanding as to how you can use the latest model of Claude, Fable 5. So we're going to get straight into it. And for those of you that don't really understand what the significance is with Fable 5, if I just go onto my account and click into this, for the past few years, the only three models that were available with Claude was Haiku 4.5, Sonnet 5, Opus 4.8, which was the highest one, but now we've got Fable. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, the things that I've been able to do with Opus 4.8, you wouldn't believe it. I've been able to do so many things with all of the different businesses that I'm running. So I'm genuinely excited for what Fable 5 has to offer. But this now brings me on to one of the initial ways that you can use Fable to help you get an internet business up and running, which is going to be with a Faceless YouTube channel. And the way that this is going to work is that there's a way that you can use Fable to direct you as to the best steps to take to get your channel up and running. And you're going to be able to do this by basically cloning a successful channel that already exists. So if I just jump onto Digital Maker AI and then click into Faceless Finder, for those of you that don't know, you can use this feature, this new feature, to help you find channels where they are publishing content, but there's no one on camera and no one's using the actual voice. This is definitely worth checking out if you want to start a YouTube channel, but maybe you don't want to be on camera yourself, because what you can do is click into the different niches and find a type of channel that you can maybe see yourself running. So for example, if I click into finance, as you can see, there's all of these different channels that I'm going to be able to click into. It's going to give me information as to the amount of subscribers they've got, how many videos on average do they upload per week, and the average length of their videos as well. And there's this channel that I came across where it's completely animated, and I can see that they're doing really well, because if I click into this, it's not even been a year, but they've been able to get almost 10 million views. And many of their videos actually go viral if I click into popular. As we can see, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views across multiple different videos on a regular basis. And this channel is all about retirement. It's all about giving people information about how they can retire early and how they can benefit from retirement. And if we just go over to Google Trends, we can see right here that this is a keyword that people are searching for more and more in 2026. So yeah, I wouldn't have been able to find this channel without the help of Digital Maker AI. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave it linked down below. But yeah, this is the channel that I'm going to be replicating, and I'm going to be using Fable 5 to help me do so. So now that I've got the channel that I want to build, I'm going to go back over to Digital Maker AI. And this time what I'm going to do is click into the prompt maker. I'm going to click into Claude. I'm going to say that I want to get a business blueprint, and I'm going to click into AI Faceless YouTube channel. Some of you may have seen this sequence before, but there's going to be some updated changes to it. For example, one of the initial questions that it's now going to come back with is, how do I want to start this channel? So I can either build one from scratch, or what I can do is clone an existing channel. And all you're going to need to do is just get the URL of the channel, paste it in here, and Digital Maker AI is going to do the rest. So I'm just going to get the URL, paste it in there, and it's going to look something similar to this. So I'm just going to click on scan channel. And there we go. It's now come back with the complete channel summary and a lot of their top videos. So what I'm going to do is click on next. I'm going to say that I don't have a name for my channel yet. I'm going to click on next. What do I want to do differently from the channel that I'm cloning? I'm going to say to target a younger audience. Click on next. How do I plan to monetize this channel? I'm going to say primarily through digital products. Next. And how often do I plan to upload videos? Let's go with 3 to 5 times per week. And then click on generate prompt, and what it's going to do is come back with this full custom prompt that you can now copy and paste directly into Claude, and then click on enter. And there we go, just like that. As you can see, Fable 5 has now come back with this full custom blueprint. So this is going to help you out in so many different ways. It's going to give you guidance as to how you can get your channel set up. It's also going to give you tips on the best videos for you to produce. Depending on what monetization method you picked, it's also going to tell you some of the best types of digital products that you can build. So yeah, I thought I'd show this to you because if you're looking to clone a channel, this is one of the best ways to do it if you're just trying to gain clarity. But moving on to one of the next biggest opportunities with Fable 5, which is the fact that you can use it to build a high level, fully functional app. But for now, I'm going to keep it super simple. And if we go back over to the channel that I'm replicating, which is this one, and click into their most popular video. Firstly, I just want to give you an idea as to the style and the format of the video. As we can see, it's got this animated character. It's not necessarily a video, it's more of images that have been put together, which is a very simple and also effective format that's working for faceless channels. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do something similar like this in a moment. There's an AI voiceover as well that's narrating everything that's happening, but the main thing that I want to show you is the link that they have at the top of their description. As you can see, I've just clicked into it and it's taken me directly to this retirement planner calculator that they have as a way for them to build up leads. And from there, they can now offer whatever digital product they're trying to sell. This is a tool that you can build yourself. It doesn't have to be in retirement. It can be in investing. It can be in any niche possible. You can use Fable 5 to help you do this. So to show you exactly how this works, let's say if I wanted to put something similar like this in my YouTube channel, one of the first things that I'm going to need to do is create the banner, the profile image, as well as the animated character. So I'm going to come back to this in a moment and I'm going to show you exactly how Fable is going to be able to help me build something similar. But if I wanted to create the character, all I need to do is click into image maker. It's going to be over here where I can click into this and say if I want to clone an existing character or create a brand new one. So if I wanted to clone this character that we found, the only thing I need to do is just drag and drop a screenshot of the character. So if I just go back over to the channel, I'm going to try and find a good scene. Okay, so this is pretty decent. What I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of it like this and then drag and drop it in there like that. Click on next and give it some information as to what I want to change about this image. So I'm just going to say something along the lines of use the attached image as a guide, but change him to African American, including features like hair, face, etc., whilst keeping the same style of cartoon. So you can add as much details into this box that you want. And you can also generate up to 4 different images so that you can pick the best one. So I'm going to do just that. Okay, perfect. So I've now got these 4 different images that I can choose from and they all look pretty decent. The one that I'm going to go forward with is this one right here. So I'm just going to click on download. And it's going to be a very similar process if you also wanted to generate the profile image as well as the banner, because you could just go over here and then click on YouTube channel images and then generate both of them at the exact same time. And I actually already done this. As you can see, this is going to be the profile image. This is going to be the banner. And yeah, it's going to be a case of just going over to YouTube, setting up your account, going on to customization and uploading all of this. And it's just going to give your YouTube account a professional look from the very beginning. But yeah, now that I've got the image of my character and I know what type of app I'm looking to recreate, I'm just going to take a screenshot of it just like this. Go back over to Claude and drag and drop everything in there like this. And I'm just going to add this simple prompt. I'm going to say, I want you to recreate this retirement calculator and provide me with a downloadable code using my own character. So I'm just going to add my character in there like that and then click on enter. And there we go, guys, just like that. As you can see, it's come back with a calendar in the style that I wanted. So we've got the animated character up here. We've got the same entry fields over here and it works as it should. If I just click on generate my retirement path, it's going to take me to this chart over here. And this is something that I'm going to be able to put linked in my videos on my animated channel. But if you wanted to take it one step further and you wanted a little bit more flexibility as to how you can use whatever application that you've built, what you can do is use a super powerful tool called Hostinger Horizons. And the way that this is going to work is you're going to ask Claude to give you a full prompt for what you've just built. And you can now take this full prompt over to Horizons. I'm going to leave it linked down below. You can paste the prompt from Claude in there just like this. Also give your animated character image directly to Horizons as well. And then you're just going to click on enter. And what Horizons should do is go straight to work to start building this out. So it's going to take all of the instructions that Fable just gave me. It's going to analyze everything and it's going to make sure that it builds something very similar. For those of you that's not really sure as to what Horizons is, I would say that it's one of the most powerful tools out there because it's capable of doing so many different things. If you want to build a website, if you want to build a web application, if you want to build and design a mobile application, you can do it all with Horizons. So I'm going to wait for this to finish coding. It shouldn't take too long. And there we go. As you guys can see, this is what it was able to build. It's very similar to what Claude was able to do, and it was able to do it in a few minutes. And it's something that you can make any changes to. If you want to make any changes to the code, if you wanted Horizons to make any changes, you're going to be able to do it using the chatbot on the left hand side. The only reason why I'd prefer using this on a serious level, if I was looking to actually make this go live and launch it over using Claude, is because everything is going to be done directly within Horizons. If you wanted to add any back-end APIs, if you wanted to add any back-end AI tools so that you can power it and make it more powerful, you can do that directly within Horizons. All you need to do is just click into the data tab, make any adjustments that you need to. If you want to manually update the code, you can do that by clicking on code at the top. But I would say the main important thing is that you can publish it straight away, get a temporary domain. And if you wanted to get a more permanent domain, you're going to be able to switch it out directly within the Horizons platform. So yeah, I'm going to leave a direct link to Horizons down below. Don't forget, you're also going to be eligible for a completely free domain as well. So yeah, be sure to check out Horizons. You're definitely not going to regret it. But yeah, now that I've got an app that I could potentially promote on this new Faceless channel that I'm building with the help of Fable, I just want to quickly show you guys how you can actually generate a Faceless video just so that you understand how simple it is. So if I just click back into Digital Maker AI on the left hand side, we've got the video maker. If I click into long form Faceless video and then say that I want to generate a video with multiple different scenes and I want Digital Maker AI to write the script for me, I can use Fable to give me different video ideas. And one topic that it came back with that it's saying that is doing really well is this one over here: financial independence, retire early, tips for young people. This is what it said is doing well. So I'm going to click into next. It's then going to ask me to pick a visual style. So I'm going to go with animated/cartoon. I'm going to select some different options over here for the different effects that I want to include in the video, as well as the subtitle. And it's going to be here where I can now add a recurring character. So I've actually already done this. As you can see, the character is there, it's saved, and it's going to be a character that can be included in every single one of my videos. So I'm going to go with that, click on next. I'm going to generate a video, not too long, just so that you guys get the point. I'm going to select an AI voice that I want to narrate the entire video. And I'm going to finally select the pacing of the video, which is going to be standard. And there we go, guys. Just like that, instantly it's come back with the full final video. The reason why this is a useful tool to use, if you're someone that doesn't know anything about editing, you can simply enter the prompt for the video that you want to make. And this is something that you can do every single day. And to give you a quick snippet as to what the video looks like, I'm just going to click on play.
Financial independence isn't just a dream, it's a strategy you can start today. The FIRE movement, which stands for Financial Independence Retire Early, is transforming how people think about money and freedom. Instead of working until you're 65, FIRE followers build wealth intentionally, invest smartly, and retire decades earlier. The core principle is simple: spend less than you earn, invest the difference.
So yeah, I'm sure that you guys get the point. That's the video right there. And if you want to make any changes to your video, you can do it over here by changing any of the scenes or changing any part of the script. So yeah, this is really helpful because from here, you should now have your actual channel, because Fable would have given you all of the information in that blueprint to guide you through every single step. You would also have a lead magnet that you can use. In this case, it's going to be the web app, and you can also generate the video, get that uploaded. And I would say one of the final opportunities with Fable is the fact that you can also use it to help you build a low ticket digital product that you can sell. So most people don't realize this, but many Faceless channels out there are monetizing using very simple low ticket digital products. If I just go over to the Faceless Finder, There's a new feature that's been added that's currently being updated. If I click on this, what it's going to do is that it's going to show me different channels that have a link in the description to a digital product. And there's this animated channel over here that I actually showed in a previous video. If I click into this link, it's going to take me directly to the digital product that they have available. And in this case, it's some sort of PDF financial reset system. And they're also uploading very similar videos to the ones that we're going to be uploading, where it's going to be these different animated clips all stitched together. And being able to use Fable to build out a PDF digital product isn't difficult. It just comes down to the right prompt, because if I click on prompt maker, click into Claude, and this time say that I want to build a digital product, all I need to do is click into this. And I'm going to go with an ebook in this case. Let's go with next. In that blueprint that Fable would have initially given you, it would have gave you some digital product ideas that you can pick from. And one of the ones that stood out to me is this title for the ebook, the Early Retirement Playbook. I'm just going to go with that. What do I want this ebook to be about? I'm going to enter the text that Claude gave me in that blueprint. Just like this, you can pause it and read it if you want. How many chapters is going to be in the book? I'm just going to select this. The color scheme, I want it to be green and blue. Author name, I'm just going to put the name of the channel, which is going to be Retirement with Dave. Let's go with that. Click on next. Writing style, I just want it to be casual. Click on generate prompt, and what it should come back with is this full prompt that I'm going to be able to copy once again and paste directly into Claude. And literally within maybe 2 minutes or so, it's going to come back with a fully written ebook. Everything is going to be formatted. As we can see, we've got the copyright page, we've got the table of contents. Because the prompt is so detailed and very specific and concise, it's going to come back with a fully sellable ebook straight away. And if you wanted to get an ebook cover, you can do that with Digital Maker. I'm just going to click into Image Maker, click on Product Markup. Here you can select your product type. So if I wanted to generate a main product image for this ebook, I can do so by clicking into this and then following the necessary steps, giving it all of the images that I want to be included on the ebook. And here we go. This is what it was able to give me. So yeah, I would say that those are some of the methods of being able to use Fable, using it to help you with a customized blueprint, then using it as a way to guide you through generating the best quality videos, building apps, digital products. Really and truly, the sky's the limit when it comes to using this amazing tool. There's so many more features to it. And I've got some other videos coming out real soon where I'm going to expand on some other ways that you can use it. If you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. Don't forget to check out Digital Maker AI as well as Horizons, linked in my description down below. And if you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to spend a little bit more time breaking down the Faceless channel side of things. You're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this, because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.